Make this gelatin recipe, it's delicious. To start our recipe, I will start putting in containers 20 grams of lemon jelly, grape, passion fruit and tutti frutti. Soon after I will add 1 liter of hot water in the gelatins, 250 milliliters in each one. Then I will stir well so that the gelatin is diluted well in hot water. Now I'm going to transfer all the flavors to separate containers. People, this recipe is delicious. Make it at your house and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will like it. It will become routine in your home. Now I will take the containers with the jellies to the refrigerator and leave there for an hour. After a while, I'm going to take the jellies out of the fridge and cut them into small cubes like this. Then with the help of a spoon, I will loosen the pieces, will be easier to remove later. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Catherine Eastwood from Illinois. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. People, I love this recipe. It is very simple and is perfect for parties. Besides being a very tasty recipe, everyone will love it. It will be the highlight on the candy table. Tell me if you have any Jell-O recipes, I'd love to know. Now I will put some oil in a pan to grease. Then I will add the cubes of gelatin in the pan. Then I will take another container and add 12 grams of unflavored gelatin, 5 tablespoons of water, stir and microwave for 20 seconds to melt. In the meantime, I'm going to take another container and put 395 grams of condensed milk, 200 grams of heavy cream, 100 milliliters of coconut milk, 100 milliliters of milk, unflavored gelatin, and then I'm going to stir everything. Then I will transfer this mixture to the pan. I will pour over the gelatin like this. This recipe will be a success in your family. Finally, I will take to the refrigerator for 2 hours. And our recipe is ready. Look how beautiful she was. Now with the help of a plate, I will remove from the pan. Now just enjoy this delight. If you want, do not need to use these flavors. You can use the flavor you want and as many as you want. The more color, the more beautiful our gelatin will be. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.